hit this with gray primer. Let's let that dry for 15 minutes. We have our 2 base coats of gray, and I just sat this up here so you guys could see it a little bit better while we paint. I want to use black and white, but I have to remove this little black tab. That's what makes the spray paint spray evenly, and in this instance I want it to be speckled. The easiest way to get that little black cap out of there is to remove it. Get yourself a screwdriver and a screw. I like to get it started just so I have a good spot to put it in. And now this should give me speckles. I don't want to be really close. I want to be a little bit far away. See, I'm getting speckles down there. Let's just spray paint this. Now we'll do white. I'm staying far back. And now we have something that looks a lot more like stone. Okay, so this is that stone paint, where if you get close, see all the little flecks from the different colors. You have that gray base, and then you have 2 speckled white and black on top, and that's just a nice stone look.